Hi guys, I decided to try out the Xbox 360 Linux thing, so I can maybe continue the Windows 98 video. So I googled about it and well, this is AI, but it found a pretty good tutorial, I think. So we are going to try that out. Or we can use this, or we can watch this video because it's from Modern Warfare. This guy is pretty good with console modding and stuff. So
folder and a file, just extract them to
let's
the
start doing this thing. So did you? Yes, let's download these files. Yeah, it's a pretty huge security risk now, but of course it's not there anymore. I guess this one. Okay, it's pretty late on today, and I downloaded the file finally from a different server. Oh wait, the capture is still the way. I downloaded the file from a different server and it's downloaded, and yeah, we can continue like tomorrow or so. It's not really that hard to install Linux. Apparently I watched the video but didn't do anything, and it didn't seem to be really that hard. So I will do that tomorrow, and we'll see then. Hi guys, so it's the next day from the sleep again, and yeah, I should have the files on my downloads or in documents. Yeah, I have to upload this folder because I have just too many private clips and stuff in here. But yeah, let's see. Where are they? Unless there's Cell Launch. And Ubuntu beta. I'll put them on a folder so I don't have to show my files. Let's go with Xbox 360. Then let's put them into the folder. It's pretty early in the morning. Just only Quebec. Do I have actually the same thing? Is in the book. You know, I'm not saying this stuff. I don't know. strong attack control. Like Jason. I have like 4,000 in this Windows install. I know. What should be the settings? Make sure I this I could do very low on OBS, and it's because it's like almost going over my mic. Even if I have like my mic way much more longer, this is not a very good mic. It's like bring it closer. So, okay, I think it's better. I have to speak really close if I want to have that in order. But I'm going to put this. The chain is broken. It will go into Aurora. Let's start connecting. It failed. Yeah, XP quarterly are going to fail a couple of times now. I don't know, can you even disable those? And my controller keeps turning off. The IP is correct. The server closed the connection. But the Xbox 360 stopped like crying about it. So, and the Aurora reloaded, so that means it's usually connected to Xbox Live. Welcome to XP World, yes. And now it works. Okay, I guess you have to be on Xbox Live then. So we have to do everything on the USB. So it's saying that this system error gonna what the and it's ready. Wait a minute. Come on, I don't wanna ruin my Xbox. No. Okay. Phew. Like actually phew. $20 isn't cheap on my money. The light is kind of black. I don't know. It's apparently loading still, so it's fine. I just had no indication if that shit crashed or not. So I'm just gonna be waiting until it loads. If it takes like way too long, then I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna let it sit here and gonna do some other stuff while it's loading. We'll see if it is loaded when I'm done. What? Just randomly here 360 rebooting sounds.